Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word microwaves. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I heated up my leftovers in the microwaves for lunch. Microwaves refer to short radio waves used for communication, radar, and heating food in a microwave oven with wavelengths ranging from 1 millimeter to 1 meter. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.